Hi, my name is Scott with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough for you on our Mastercraft 2019 XT21. Beautiful white and red hull design boat. Teak swim deck. This has the sea deck walkthrough. Ski tow bar right here. This boat's equipped with the Z2 tower with the swivel wakeboard and wake surf racks, bimini, and the Klish tower speakers. Come through this boat, has the sea deck, awesome flooring with the XT21 etched in the floor. Over here you have the built-in cooler for storage. And awesome storage over here. This boat also has the extra filler cushion, has the reverse folding facing recliner couch that also goes into a sun pad. Super cool for just laying out and chilling on the boat. Has the 7-inch touchscreen controls. Lots of storage and room out here on the front of the boat. Flip up, look at all that storage. Awesome Klish sound system, USB plugins on the front of the boat, anchor storage, and this boat has everything. 21-foot boat, plenty of storage in this boat though. Has a great wake surf wake with the Gen 2 surf system, and awesome wakeboard wake. And also this boat has a ski mode, so it's equipped to water ski. So this boat's a triple threat boat, does it all really well. Awesome design with the white, gray, and the red accents. Fantastic boat. Come on out to MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, and check out this beautiful XT21 Mastercraft 2019, or check us out at MarineMaxGreenville.com. Thank you.